Hello everyone, welcome to Revit family next video in which we talk about void blend. Here you will see void blend is there. So today we talk about void blend. Okay. For example, I select this void blend. I have to choose some family. I have to choose some profile. So I have selected the circle one for the base. Go in reference top plane and make here circle. Now for the top, go and select some polygon like this and placed on the here. Finish it. Go in 3D. Now you can adjust this one. Suppose you want to bring little bit. So you can see here on the top its polygon shape is there, but on the bottom side you will see circle. Okay, suppose I have to, if you want to edit this one, double click on the profile. If you want to make it smaller, you can make. If you want this one to be top one, edit, finish, you will see the size of the circle is decreased. Okay, in this way you can edit the profile also. Suppose I have to place some profile on this face. For that we have to go and select this void blend, set the work plane, pick a plane. Okay, I have picked this plane and I want to create on this plane like this. Now for the top one, I will place finish it. You will see, you can see, you can increase the size. Suppose go in some of the front view. Here you can see, you can make it up to here also. Now in go in 3D and you can see, you can go in 3 and you can see here both the side. Okay, suppose go in reference. Suppose I have to create environment. Suppose I am creating some random like this. Okay, now go for the top one. Finish it. Go in 3D, you will see. You can see this one. If you want to increase a little bit, it will cut both the upper and lower. Okay, in this way you can use the void blend. Okay, this much for the today. So this is all about void blend. In next video we talk about void revolve. Thank you for watching the video.